Face blindness, or prosopagnosia, is the name of the neurological disorder when a person is unable to recognize another person by looking at their face. Often a result of damage to the fusiform gyrus, patients with prosopagnosia can see individual parts of a face but will be unable to determine the person's identity. They often use clues about the person, such as their voice, clothing, and mannerisms, to decipher who it is. There is currently no known treatment for prosopagnosia, but learning coping mechanisms can help improve the quality of life for these patients. It is estimated that about 1% of people have some sort of face blindness. Actor Brad Pitt, Apple founder Steve Wozniak, neurologist Oliver Sacks, and artist Chuck Close are some well-renowned people with varying degrees of prosopagnosia. Chuck Close is best known for his portraits of faces.